One boy has everyone laughing with him. One boy stands completely alone. 3 weeks ago, it was the other way around. Derek used to be the kid everyone wanted to sit with. Today, nobody has saved him a seat in weeks. Rewind 3 weeks. Owen Mercer is the new kid at school. He does not know anyone yet, but he is ready to try. Derek is the most popular kid in 4th grade. He always has a joke ready, and everyone laughs, every single time. Mr. Alvarez welcomes Owen to his new class and shows him to his seat, right by the window. Owen hopes he will fit in. Derek notices the new kid's sketchbook right away. He is not sure yet what he thinks about him.
What even is
Derek
this?
picks up one of
Is it a
Owen's
person?
practice
Is it a
sketches
person
and
or
makes
a
fun of it
spiky
in a silly
potato?
voice, loud enough for the whole library table to hear. Owen does not say anything back. He just closes his sketchbook and quietly leaves, his ears still warm with embarrassment. At lunch, Owen eats alone. He still remembers the library, but drawing has always kept him good company, even on hard days. A girl named Priya sees Owen's drawing from a few seats away. She thinks it looks really good, but she does not speak up yet. The library laugh was not enough for Derek. He walks past Owen's table, already thinking about a bigger audience. Derek
Who
grabs
draws this
Owen's
stuff?
sketchbook and holds it up for everyone to see. "Who draws this stuff?" he says, and a few kids laugh. Owen does not say anything back. His face gets warm, and he just wishes he could disappear into his chair. Mr. Alvarez notices and steps in right away, returning the sketchbook to Owen.
That was
He
not
tells
kind.
Derek that was not kind. Derek shrugs it off like it was nothing. Tobias is not so sure it was nothing, but he does not say anything either. Owen has a special patch on his backpack that he drew himself. It is his favorite thing, and today he feels brave enough to show it off.
Nice bag, Picasso.
Derek sees it
Did you get that
and
in
loudly
kindergarten?
calls out. He makes sure everyone nearby hears him. Just like that, Owen's confidence is gone. He hides the bag against his side, suddenly feeling embarrassed about the thing he loved most. Riding the bus should be a time to relax, but for someone who is brand new, it is just one more place to feel out of place. Derek slides
no
his
room for
backpack
Sketch
over
Boy back
and says
here.
there is no room for Sketch Boy back here. A couple of kids nearby laugh at the nickname. Owen rides the rest of the way in the back, alone. Derek got his laugh, but that nickname follows Owen around for the rest of the week. Owen finally gets home, holding his sketchbook a little tighter than usual. His first week has not gone the way he hoped.
He said my
Owen
drawings
tells
were
his
weird
mom
and
what
that
happened.
I can't draw.
Owen, your drawings are wonderful. Just remember that kindness always outlasts teasing.
That night, Owen decides a hard week will not stop him from being himself. He picks up his pencil and keeps drawing.
Hi, I'm Priya. Your drawing yesterday was actually really impressive.
Wow, thank you so much.
This time, Owen is not eating lunch alone. Priya sits with him, and together they look through every page of his sketchbook. Derek notices Owen has a new friend already. For a second, something about that makes Derek feel strange, but he is not sure why. At recess, Derek picks the kickball teams. He calls name after name
Not picked at
and
all.
never once calls Owen's. Owen sits down on the bench by himself. Being left out on purpose feels different than just being new. Priya sees Owen sitting alone and walks straight over. She would rather skip the game than let her friend sit by himself. Derek starts a note poking fun at Owen's drawings, and it quietly passes from desk to desk without Owen ever noticing. Tobias does not think the note is funny, but he passes it along anyway because it feels easier than saying something. Mr. Alvarez catches the note before it reaches Owen. He does not read it out loud, but he knows exactly what it is.
Derek, How would you feel if that note was written about you?
Mr. Alvarez talks to Derek privately. Derek walks home quieter than usual. Mr. Alvarez's
Derek,
question keeps
what do you wanna
replaying in
do?
his head, whether he wants it to or not. At home, Derek's older brother teases him and brushes him off too. Nobody has ever asked Derek how that makes him feel. Derek failed a test this week and did not tell anyone. Being the funny kid has felt like the only thing he is good at lately. Derek watches Owen draw, and just for a moment, does not feel like making a joke. In art class, Owen finally feels completely himself. This is the 1 hour of the day nothing can take away from him. Derek's painting is not going well. He is not used to struggling at something in front of everyone, and it makes him uncomfortable. Owen notices Derek is struggling. Part of him remembers the sketchbook and the bus. Another part just sees a kid who needs help. Owen walks over and offers Derek a tip on blending colors. He does not bring up any of it. He just tries to help. Derek was not expecting Owen to help him, especially not after everything. It makes him feel something he cannot quite explain. By the end of class, Derek's painting actually looks good. He glances at Owen, and for the first time, he almost smiles at him.
Derek, the note and the bus and all of it was not okay.
Tobias finally tells Derek that the note and the bus and all of it was not okay. Derek goes quiet, actually listening this time. During the kickball game, Derek trips over his own shoelace in front of everyone and lands hard on the grass. For a moment, nobody moves to help Derek up. He suddenly understands, just a little, what it feels like to be laughed at instead.
Owen him up.
Owen is the first one to walk over. He does not hesitate, and he does not bring up anything that happened before. Derek walks straight over to Owen, Priya, and Tobias. His heart is pounding, but he knows exactly what he needs to say.
Owen, I'm sorry for the library, for the sketchbook and the note. None of it was fair. And I mean every word.
Owen forgives him, right there on the playground. Tobias quietly apologizes too, for staying silent when it mattered most. The next kickball game, Derek picks Owen first. It is a small thing, but for Owen, it means absolutely everything. Owen never has to hide his backpack again. And this time, when Derek points out the patch, it is
Proud
only
to
to
be
tell him how
himself.
cool it actually is. Here is what this story teaches. Kindness is always stronger than teasing. Speak up when you see bullying. Everyone deserves understanding. Owen chose kindness, even when it was hard. Derek learned that sorry and change matter more than being tough. Have you ever stood up for someone? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Fun Kids World for more stories like this one, and we will see you in the next video.